So in this video, you learn how to change the SIM pin on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to navigate to your Settings app, and then under Settings, you're going to select Connections. Under Connections, tap on SIM Manager, and then choose the option More SIM Settings. From here, select SIM card security, and then ensure that the lock SIM pin feature is enabled. Once you've confirmed it's been enabled, you're then going to tap on this option, Change SIM card pin. And then the first step is to enter in your current SIM pin to confirm your identity. And then you're going to tap on OK. From here, you'll then be prompted to enter in a new SIM card pin. So go ahead and type it in. And then once you've typed it in, tap on OK and enter it in again for confirmation purposes. Once you've selected OK for the second and last time, your SIM card pin will promptly be changed. And so now, that is the new pin you'll be using whenever you want to unlock your SIM card. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.